5 Fairfax County prosecutors are using data to drive their cases. This month, Commonwealth's attorney Steve Descano unveiled a new court case dashboard. It's a way to give residents a look inside the courtroom, and Descano hopes it will bring down crime in Fairfax County. Our Matt Gregory is live outside the county courthouse. And Matt, how will this database help bring down crime?
Hey, Leslie, think of it like the Moneyball of criminal court cases, right? The idea that this could be driven by data instead of hunches for prosecutors. That's something Commonwealth's attorney Steve Descano says he hopes they will see more of, and that this will make it more effective for prosecutions here and continue to bring crime down in Fairfax County.
So this right here is just cases received.
Fairfax County Commonwealth's attorney Steve Descano is a big numbers guy.
In the 15 months, we got about 18,000 cases.
Always has been.
You know, I started looking at data way back when I was just a federal prosecutor as a line attorney, probably as early as back as 2011.
Descano believes that data on criminal cases can lead to better outcomes.
So we can see what's going on in the courthouse, what's going on in the street. We don't have to rely just on hunches.
This month, his office launched an online court case database. It shows anyone who wants to see a population-level look at crime and court cases, from charges versus prosecutions, to the demographics of suspects, all the way down to crime groups. It's a bold effort in transparency.
We know that there are a lot of people that have questions about the criminal justice system. It's a black box. People don't know what's going on. Our goal is to build trust with the community.
But Descano points out that's only one part.
Where are you at risk for people committing crime? The numbers are going to show you you're in that 25 to 34-year-old range.
The other part is the data allows he and his prosecutors to determine where to put resources. For example, the dashboard shows the majority of felonies in the county are assault, larceny, and narcotics.
Yeah, these may not be major crimes, but these are our most plentiful ones. So we're going to take our resources and put them towards this.
For a numbers guy like Descano, he says it's all about bringing the law up to speed with technology.
Whereas the law is always lagging, that was more old school, that was more intuitive, that quite frankly in the 21st century just doesn't work anymore.
Crunching the numbers instead of the hunches. Yeah, so it's not just about prosecutions, by the way. So one of the examples that Descano gave us was that looking at the numbers, they found that amphetamines and stimulants are a bigger issue in the county than opioids. I didn't know that, but that's what their data shows. And so he says that allows them to go ahead and create diversion programs for stimulants and amphetamines, which are quite different than the diversion programs for opioids. So that's kind of how they can use that data to not just prosecute, but also to create programs they think will really help for better crime outcomes in the county. In Fairfax County, Matt Gregory, back to you, Leslie.
Yeah, different approach, sort of geo-targeting their efforts there. We'll see how that pays off. All right, thanks, Matt.